Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Sheila. Are you looking for a great breakfast recipe?
Well, we have one for you today.
Yes.
Wait until you try this delicious breakfast.
And you will make this day or night.
That's
a lot of people like breakfast at night.
Absolutely. It's a perfect way to start off your day, so we are going to take you back and show you what we do.
So we are starting out by browning up 1 pound of breakfast sausage.
And you could use Tennessee Pride or Jimmy Dean, whatever you like.
Then we're going to set it aside. And now we are adding 8 eggs.
We're just going to pour that right in here to the mixing bowl. And then we're going to add
1.5 cups of heavy cream or whole milk, which this is whole milk here, but you can use either one.
Yeah, whatever you have on hand. Got to have a little seasoning.
Then season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Just mix it together.
Pour it in there.
Then 1 teaspoon of garlic powder.
We'll whisk that together until it's completely combined.
Just beat it around there.
We pre-greased our baking dish, and this is a 9x13 baking dish.
Then we have got a large bag of tater tots. So we're going to fill the bottom half with the tater tots.
And so we're just going to layer about half of this bag on the bottom, but we're going to reserve some for the top. And then
we'll layer the breakfast sausage we cooked earlier over the tater tots. And just spread it evenly. Then we're going to add 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, which we love our cheese. We love the cheese, don't we, Jen?
Oh yeah, we love our cheese. Gotta have it.
So good. This is a good recipe.
It really is. Easy too.
Then we will pour the egg mixture evenly over the top. Soak it really good with this mixture.
And guys, you could always add some other stuff like onions and bacon and whatever else you want in here. The sky's the limit when it comes to breakfast.
So you got your eggs, cheese, sausage,
potatoes, everything.
And finally, place the remaining tater tots on top.
Who doesn't love tater tots?
Looks like I've got Sonic tater tots here, but I just grabbed one that I liked and thought, well, this is it.
Oh, they're all good.
Cover it with foil.
And that's going to ensure that those eggs get cooked by covering it and let it cook nice and slow without burning the top.
We preheated the oven for 375 degrees. So we'll let that bake for 40 minutes.
And then we'll check it. It's been in there for 40 minutes.
So now we will uncover it.
And we're going to let that bake a little bit longer, maybe 10, 15 minutes. Get it nice and brown and crispy on top. Look at that.
Looks great.
Wow. Yum.
Look how good and yummy
it
that looks. And it's quick and easy, which I like that.
Super easy.
That's my kind of cooking.
That's my kind of cooking too.
Let's slice some of this up.
Listen to that crunch.
I
Yummy.
love the corner pieces.
Oh yeah. Delicious.
This is so good. And you can use sour cream on top or bacon bits or by itself or even tomatoes.
Easy breakfast for anybody.
It's really good. As Steve would say,
is this the best breakfast recipe you've ever tried? If it ain't, it ought to be. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye!
Well, that's She and Jen, them 2 girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time, right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.